haven't been on YouTube, so I'm hoping that I can make a decent comeback, man. I had bought a 2010 Scion XB for my brother, wife, son. My nephew? He's my nephew. He's a little bit older, and you know, I'm just meeting him not too long ago. Anyways, I came out here to JDM Sunshine. It's located in Orlando, and I'm hoping that these guys do me right. I'm buying this engine, and I'm gonna let you guys see exactly what I paid for it, but I'm hoping I can get a quick tour of the place to let them know that, you know, I'm putting them on to my YouTube channel. If you guys are interested in any of these motors, make sure you guys follow along so that way I can let you know the whole process. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. I thought I had a booger. All right, let's get going. And I didn't have a truck because I'm sold out of trucks right now. Just sold my last truck not too long ago. But we're able to fold these bad boys down. So I'm gonna get some cardboard from this JDM guys, and then hopefully we can lift it up and put it right in the back. Let's get it. Check this out, man. I don't even know what that is. It's a Honda though. Sunshine JDM. They got a whole bunch of older cars. Look at this old hatchback here. And I almost brought a Prelude, and they got a Integra over there and a Solara over there, it looks like. But I almost bought a Prelude this week, man. I'll add a quick picture so you guys can see that. But yeah, they look like they got some stuff going on out here. A lot of JDM stuff. So if you're into it, make sure you hit these guys up. Overlanded. What's your name again?
Miguel.
Miguel, and it's the Overland. So what is it called? It's a Honda
Street.
Honda Street. And what year is it?
91.
91. Four-wheel drive, obviously. Right-hand drive. Air conditioned. Where's the engine at?
It's under the rear.
It's under the rear. That is badass, man. That's badass. You can open up the doors. Can I check it out? Awesome. We're gonna get a full view of this bad boy now. And it's thick, man. That is crazy. With sliding doors. That is so crazy. Trail related active. Stick shift, they're all coming stick. Damn, that's so crazy how like thin it is, man. Is that the e-brake or is that the gas? That's the gas? The one on the far right?
Yeah, that's the gas pedal. The pedal setup is just the same as a left-hand drive car. Just your shifters on the left.
How long you had it?
Bought it in October.
That's crazy, bro. What are these used for in Japan?
Everything. Cargo, passenger.
Cargo,
everything, because the seats fold down, and when the seats fold down, they're completely flat in the floor.
That's crazy. Yeah. So it's used for mainly a lot of cargo shit. But you trail ride this. I mean, that's your name. So where do you trail ride at?
I'm doing a 2-inch lift on it now, and that's a 23.5-inch tall tire.
Yeah.
I'm going up to a 26.5.
And that's not gonna scrub?
After the lift.
After the lift.
After the lift, no, but I got a chop. I got a chop right here.
Yeah.
I have to chop here, and here. Because the other tire, I've already mounted one. The tire is actually the size of...
Okay, yeah. The whole rear wheel, yeah. But there's a big community for these, right?
Yeah. There's a Facebook group called Florida Keys.
Florida Keys, man. I'll make sure I look that up and tag the video, bro.
And if you ever know people, there are a lot of knowledgeable people on there, man, and they got a lot of good information.
Cool, bro. I appreciate you, man.
No problem.
Yeah, what's your name again?
Miguel.
Miguel, bro. Yeah, man, I'll make sure I tag your Instagram and all that, bro.
Yeah, I've just started recently trail riding it, so the only place I've been to is Ocala.
Ocala,
This weekend I'm going to Citrus.
Oh man, you should come out. And you got a car, but you got to make sure that it's open because sometimes they close it. But I live out in Melbourne, Brevard County, and they got this place called the Compound. And
he knows.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
He knows a lot about.
So you know about the Compound,
I don't use the Compound for shit like that.
Yeah. It would be cool. There's some terrain, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But up north, yeah, for sure.
The Compound is that all the drift cars that
Yeah.
up the skirts of the road, they make it really hard for the autocrossers, which makes it more interesting for us.
Yeah.
Because I just like to rip through it. I don't drift. I got front wheel drive. I got 3 cars like this.
Oh, this is yours. Okay.
All those little ruts in the road.
Yeah, it fucks it up.
If you hit one of those ruts in that,
Yeah.
you need a tow truck to get your ass home.
Yeah,
So
definitely,
the ruts make it so good to keep your shit in line.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
It's such a hard place to run at.
That's crazy, man. What do you have in that? K series?
I never ran that at the compound. I had a K series. I have a K series 4-door, same car but 4-door.
4-door, yeah,
I ran
yeah.
that at the compound.
Yeah.
I lost control once.
Yeah?
You know how it's just a bunch of little cul-de-sacs?
Yeah, yeah, exactly, yeah.
I lost it in one of the cul-de-sacs, hit the grass.
Wow.
It was fun.
Wild, bro. Dope, though, man. And that's the engine there, right?
Yes, sir.
So what were they talking about the front timing?
This case right here.
Just the metal part of it.
This.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So pulley has to come off. Water pump can stay.
Okay.
Tensioner's got to come off, and then the case can come off, and then you put
Just
your
the
case,
case.
and everything's like that.
Awesome. All right, man. It looks clean, man. You guys get them. So is it true about Japan? They have to get rid of their engines at like 60K or something like that?
They don't have to.
They don't have to.
They don't have to.
95% of them do. It's a tax thing.
It makes sense for somebody with a car that takes one of these. Now, somebody with a Skyline is not giving up their motor.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah,
60K,
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they're too common. So what, they just swap them out? Swap engines up? And they swap the clusters over there too?
No, just the engine.
Okay. That's crazy. And they do brand new engines over there? Because they're, what, a dime a dozen? They're so cheap over there?
I'm pretty sure they're probably cheaper.
No. In order for the car to get back on the road without any environmental fees or anything like that, is that either the engine that's in your car has to be rebuilt, or
Yeah.
you get something new.
Gotcha.
So some people do pay for rebuilds.
They do pay for rebuilds. Gotcha. Damn. Regulations, man. All right, well, let me get my, I got my truck over there. I got an exhibition. You could get in? Cool. All right. So everything gets sold, bro. Appreciate you, man.
No problem.
You take it easy.
Yes, sir.
What's your YouTube channel?
Roll cam. I don't have any of my business. All right, guys. So you see it now. I went, got the engine, and I got it in the back there, man. So I'm gonna have to take it easy because I definitely don't want to hit the brakes because I don't want it to like slingshot forward. I might try to go get some straps so that way I can just tie it down. But there's no anchor spots back there, so I don't know. We'll see what we could do. We will see what we could do. We're gonna get up out of here. Those two guys, I'm sure that they're gonna subscribe to the channel. And I hope you guys, like I said, if you guys need something from JDM Sunshine, they had a whole bunch of engines in there. I hope that I can get some more pictures to show you guys because I wasn't too focused on getting too much video while I was, trying to load the engine or, pay attention to doing business as well. But like I said, man, if you need them, hit them up. If you need cars or anything to do auto related as far as purchasing one, make sure you guys hit me up at Rollin' Motors. You guys can visit the website, rollinmotors321.com. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. You guys be safe. Later.